Let's go to page 69 on the handout, and let's start with number 2. You got x squared plus 6x plus 9. So again, when you go in, so for this assignment, everyone is the step 2b. So again, 3 terms, you check for the perfect square. Okay, so this is a square, so this is a square. So go and get your perfect square. Okay, again, use these to get that. Use this to get that. Again, this is you're just guessing, and you want to check the middle. So again, sign you have to match 2 times 3, match the number x, match the variable, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 4, you got 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Okay, so you can go to step 1, cannot, so you go to step 2. So you got to get your perfect square. Okay, so to get this, you need to get 2, right? 2 squared give you 4, and you need to get x. X squared give you x squared, right? And then to get 49, you need to get 7. 7 squared give you 49. And you have to do the plus because this have to match that. So the sign match, and the number 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So that number match and the variable match. Okay, so you use these two to guess that. And you check, see if the middle match. If a middle match, the middle term match, that means your guess is correct. Okay? If it does not match, means this is not correct, then you have to go to the next step. Okay, number 6, you got 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Okay, so again, step 2b. So you need to get 2. 2 squared give you 4. Okay, x squared give you x squared. You need to get minus to match that. To get 9, you have to have a 3, right? So negative square give you plus, 3 squared give you 9. So now you have to check if this match the middle. So sign match. Number 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, and x match. Okay. Okay, number 8, we got x squared minus 14x plus 49. Okay, so again, go to step 1, then go to step 2. So you need to get x, and from here you need to get 7, and to match the middle term, you need to have a minus. Okay, so this one tells you if it's plus or minus, because both plus and minus, when you square, will give you plus. Okay, so now do the checking. So negative match. 2 times 7 is 14, so they match. Again, this would be half of that, right? And then after that, you variable check. Okay, so you have to check everything. Okay, number 10. You have 16x squared minus 8x plus 1. So again, you go to step 1, then you go to step 2. So to get 16, you need to get 4, right? 4 squared give you 16. X squared give you x squared. And you need, because you need to match in the middle, so the sign have to follow that. To get 1, you need to get 1, right? 1 square give you that. Okay? So you can use this to get that, use this to get that, use this to get that. Okay? Okay, then you have to check, see if your guess is correct. So the negative match, so again, you go sign, number, alphabet. So sign match, number 2 times 1 is 2, times 4 is 8. Alphabet x, so check. Okay? Okay, number 12. You got 25x squared plus 70x plus 49. Okay, so again, go step 1, then you go to step 2b. Okay, so from here, you need to get 5, right? 5 squared give you 25. To get that, I need to have an x. To get the 49, I need to 7. Okay, and I need to get plus, right? 7 squared give you 49. Okay, so again, from this you guess that, from this you get that, from this you get that. Then after that, you have to check if they match the middle. So the sign match. The number 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. So number match and alphabet match, and so that's it. Okay. Okay, number 14, you have 16x squared plus 72x plus 81. So go to step 1, then you go to step 2b. So from this, you can get 4. From this, you get x. From this, you're going to get plus 9. Right? 9 squared give you 81. Again, you just guessing, you just use this to guess this, use this to get that. Then you have to check, see if your guess is correct. So the sign match. Number 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 9 is 72, so match, X match, so that's it. Okay, 16. You have 9a squared plus 24ab plus 16b squared. So again, you have to check first, you have to check see if they're perfect square in the beginning and the end. And then after that, you get the template ready. So you need to get 3. 3 squared give you 9. You need to have an a here. A squared give you a squared. To get that, you need to get plus 4. 4 squared give you 16. And need to have a b. B squared give you b squared. Okay, so now you have to check see if they match the middle. So sign match. Number 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So match. Alphabet, you got A and a B. So match. Okay. Okay. 18. You got 25x squared minus 20xy plus 4y squared. So you can go to your step 1, then you go to step 2b. Okay, so from here you get 5. 5 squared give you 25. To get x squared you need to have an x, right? So this you get that. From this you need to get 2, and you have to use minus because to match the middle you need to get minus. So negative squared still give you positives. 2 squared give you 4, and y squared give you y squared. Okay, so you can use this to get that, use this to get that, and then you have to check them, see if it match the middle. So sign match. Number 2 times 5 is 10 times 2 is 20, so good. And alphabet, you got x and y, so match. Okay, number 20, we got 49m squared minus 28mn plus 4n squared. Okay, so you can go through the step 1, cannot, so you go to step 2a, 3 times, 3, 2, so it's 3, 2. That's 2a is not going to work, so you have to go to 2b, right? Again, go through, it's over here. So 2 terms, that's not it, right? You got 3 terms. So 3 terms, you have to do the step 2b. Okay, so get your parentheses square. So you need to get 7. 7 squared give you 49. From this, you need to get m, and to match the sign, you have to use negative. So to get 4, you need to get 2. 2 squared give you 4. You need to have n. N squared give you n squared, right? Okay, let's check the number, check the middle terms if match. So negative match. Number 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So that's good. Alphabet m, n, so good. Okay, so again, you have to just go through the check list. Okay, 22. You have 64 a to the 4 minus 80 a squared b plus 25b squared. Okay, so you can go through step 1, common factor cannot. So you go to step 2b. Okay, so need to get 8. Okay, now a squared give you 64, and then you need to get a squared. A squared give you a to the 4, and then you need to get minus. To get this, you need to get 5 and a b, right? 5 squared give you 25. B squared give you b squared. Okay, now let's check see if they match the middle. So the sign negative match, and number 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 8 is 80. Alphabet, you got a squared b, so check. Okay. Okay, 24. You have 81 m squared n squared plus 18 m n plus 1. Again, step 1, common factor cannot. So step 2, 3 terms, you have to go to step 2b. Okay, so you're going to get 9. 9 squared give you 81. To get m squared, you need to have m here. To get n squared, you need to have n. And you need to get plus. And this would be 1. 1 squared give you 1. Okay, then you check the middle term to see if they match. So sign match. Number 2 times 1 is 2 times 9 is 18. Alphabet m, n. So all everything is good. Okay. next one. Okay, you got 169 s squared minus 52 s squared. This is x to the 4 s squared, and then you have plus 4. Okay, now if you don't know if this is a perfect square or not, what you do is you use a calculator, and you can just go and take the square root of that. So you take the square root of 169 and see if it's equal to 13. Okay, so you know that this is a 13 square. Okay, so from there we can go and do the perfect square. So 13 square will give you 169. Okay, to get that I need to get s squared, and I need to get minus to match the sign. To get 4 I need to 2. Okay, I need to get 2. 2 squared give me 4. Okay, so let's go and check see if everything works out. Okay, so negative match. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 13 give you 52. Again, if you cannot do it in your head, use your calculator. And the alphabet s squared, so check. Okay, 28. Okay, got 324 r squared plus 36 r s squared plus s to the 4. Okay, so you can take the square root of the 324, it will give you 18. So 18 squared give you 324. To get r squared, you need to get r over here, and you get plus. To get s to the 4, you need to get s squared. Okay, so this will give you that. So you can use this to get this, use this to get this, use this to get this. Okay, now let's check see if the guess is correct. Again, all you do is guessing, but you can check see if it match. If it match, means your guess is correct. Okay, the sign is plus, so check. Number 2 times 18 is 36, so that's good. Alphabet r, okay, it's s squared, so everything is good. Okay, number 30. Okay, you have 900 x to the 4 minus 60 x squared plus 1. Okay, so again, step 1 common factor cannot. So you go to step 2. 3 times you check for the perfect square. So to get 900, you need to get 30. 30 squared give you 900. To get this, you need to have x squared, and to match the sign, you need to get minus, and this would be 1. Right? So again, 1 squared give you 1. 30 squared give you 900. X squared give you 4. X to the 4. Okay, let's check see if it match the middle term. So negative match. Number 2 times 1 is 2. Times 30 is 60. So that's good. Alphabet x squared. So everything's all good. Okay, so that means it's correct. Okay, number 32. Yeah, c minus d squared plus 2 times c minus d plus 1. Okay, so step 1 common factor cannot. Okay, you cannot factor out c minus d because there's no c minus d over here. Okay, so you got 3 times 1, 2, 3. So check for perfect squares. Okay, so to get that, I need to get c minus d. Right, c minus d squared, I get that, right? Again, this square can be 9. So plus, to get 1, I need to get 1, right? Now let's check. The middle term, the sign match. Number 2 times 1 is 2. And this one is not alphabet, this is a group, it's a group match. And what you want to do is you want to tidy up things a little bit. So you just go and write c minus d plus 1 squared. Okay, and so get rid of the small parentheses inside. Okay, 34. You have m plus n squared minus 2 times m plus n plus 1. Okay, so again, step 1, common factor, cannot. So go to step 2, again, 3 terms. Let's check for the perfect square. Okay, so to get that, I need to get m plus n, right? M plus n parentheses square will give you that. Okay, and this will match the middle term, and to get 1, I need to get 1, right? So again, 1 square, see negative square give me positive. So this give me that, 1 square give me 1. Okay, so let's check, see if everything match. So the sign is negative match. Number 2 times 1 is 2 match, and the group match. So again, you want to tidy up a little bit so you can get rid of the parentheses inside. So you get n plus n minus 1, the whole thing squared.